9 is a nice question. However, many students get this wrong. This is reverse percentages. Let's read the question. The question says, someone scored 140 points playing a game on Tuesday. This 140 point was 12% more than what he scored on Monday. Work out the points that he scored on Monday. Now, what he scored on Monday is less than 140, right? Because 140 is 12% more. Now, we can solve this in two different ways. I'll do it in two different ways so you know how to do it. Now, the first way is we think of the original amount, which is what he scored on Monday, as 100%. Always in reverse percentages, think of the original as 100%. So that means the 140 is 100% plus 12%. That means it's 112%. Now, to get the original, we just divide 140 by 112%. Plug this in the calculator, and the calculator gives you the answer. It's 125. If you don't like the percent sign, you can just do decimals. So instead of 100%, you can think of 1. And instead of 12%, you can think of 0.12. And then that gives you 1 plus 0.12, which is 1.12. Now, if you divide 140 by 1.12, it also gives you 125. This is correct. This is full marks. If you want to do it different way, you can think of it like this. 140 is 112%. Try to find 1%. To find 1%, we divide both sides by 112. So 112 divided by 112 is 1%, and 140 divided by 112 is 1.25. So I divided both by 112. Now to find 100%, I multiply both by 100. 1 times 100 is 100%, and 1.25 times 100 is 125. And that's 3 marks. Can you think of finding this answer in a different way? Try it and comment your answer. Thank you for following. Bye. Next question is question 10.